the snow-covered barren with your Mavis Manor winter weather update. It's still snowing. So after a really crazy snowstorm last night, and the interstates, I guess, were really, well, closed. That's the best way to put it. So here at the manor, we are cold, but a nice cold, a snowy uncold. So let's check out, as of right now, I think it's about 3 o'clock. Let's check out how much snow has fallen at the manor. I'm up to my knees, or so. We'll walk over here and get a fair value. Okay. Trusty yardstick into the ground. And there we go. About 19 inches. Which 19 inches pretty much means up to my knees. You can probably think of a really funny joke there, but I'm just going to leave it at 19 inches is up to my knees. This is the Barren with your winter snow weather update. It's going to hurt. Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm. Fun attempt number 1. Okay, here we go. That was a bad idea. It was less fun.